This is a very good example of Avanti's multi-spindle screw machining capabilities, as well as our ability to perform high levels of quality on those high volumes of parts. These parts go into this housing that is the filtration for the transmission. The big issue with these parts is not only are they produced in very high volumes, but because of the quality requirements in the customer's automated assembly of these bushings, that foreign matter, short pieces, bar ends, any contamination really causes problems for this automation in assembly.
So we have a sorting machine also that we have a bunch of automotive parts that the customer requires us to 100% sort the parts, and we guarantee customers defect-free parts.
Our job is to make your part to the highest quality at the lowest cost.